His second three of the tournament.
Togashi. Ira Brown from downtown. Downtown Ira Brown.
You got it. That might inspire fun when he gets back home, Joe.
Oh, Ira Brown gets the rejection. And here's Baba in the open floor. And Baba goes down for the Baba boom.
Yeah, you got it, Jeff.
Advantage.
Very eloquent. Yep.
When you see these guys. Oh, beautiful bounce pass from Brown. And Baba scores with the reverse layup.
Absolutely. Was it Shenzhen?
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
I think that's how you pronounce it. Shenzhen.
That's a terrific move from
Ira Brown. Offensively, and they really want to push the tempo and spread the floor out. Try to use their speed, but it's just not matching up well at all against this Japanese team with Ira Brown. Oh, beautiful touch pass from Brown.
Yeah, defense has just completely gone to sleep. Good time to call timeout. Let's sit down, fellas. Let's talk about it.
He's down low. Up.
Come on, Ira.
And the pass intercepted. Here he comes. Get ready for takeoff. And Ira Brown, a little windmill action.
Yep. And then we had the real showpiece. Can't get Lee the ball, can they?
Oh, the block from Ira Brown. Oh no. Drives in and again just lays it up off the glass. Nice and easy. Oh no. The three.